What if I told you that working from home can unlock passive income? Yes, it's not just about saving transport costs or wearing comfy clothes. The real advantage lies in the digital skills you already possess. When you work remotely, you use skills that can become assets, and that's where passive income begins. Many think passive income means doing nothing. That's a misconception. It often starts with active effort. You build something once, create a system, and it pays you later. Let's break down how you can unlock passive income with your digital skills. This isn't about quick fix schemes. We will explore genuine ways to turn your skills into continual income streams. First, if you work from home, you likely have monetizable digital skills. Writing, designing, social media management, video editing, you have valuable raw materials. These can transform into digital assets, marking a shift in mindset. You're not just doing tasks, you're creating reusable value. Now, how do these skills generate passive income? You stop selling your hours and start packaging your skills as assets. If you only sell time, income stops. However, when you create something reusable, scalable, and repeatable, your income can continue even when you're not actively working. Let's explore pathways to passive income. The first is digital products. They require no shipping or storage. You create them once and sell them repeatedly. Think templates, guides, or micro courses. If you're a writer, turn your writing into caption packs or email templates. If you're a designer, create Canva templates or design packs. This elevates your skills from services to products, expanding your income potential. Next, consider creating micro courses. People pay to learn efficiently. Focus on a specific useful skill you have. Create a simple course that solves one clear problem, and once it's there, it can sell again and again. Content-driven passive income is another path. Tons of people underestimate the power of the content they can create. Blog posts, YouTube videos, and newsletters can generate affiliate income, ad revenue, and sponsorships for you. Then there's affiliate income connected to your skills. Promote tools or products that relate to your experience. It's all about trust. Recommendations that naturally align with your expertise are more impactful. Templates and systems are also a fantastic way to leverage your skills. Think about onboarding documents or project trackers. They might not seem glamorous, but they save time, and useful solutions sell well. Licensable assets represent an advanced strategy. Create reusable digital assets like graphics or sound effects that can be sold in packs. This mindset shift can multiply your earnings potential. AI-assisted expansion is essential in today's world. AI can enhance your productivity, allowing you to create faster and increasing your chances of building scalable income. The best passive income strategies often overlap. Your content can promote digital products, and your courses can recommend affiliate tools. Each asset supports the others, leading to more stable income. Now, let's address common barriers. Many believe their skills are too ordinary or only sell their labor. Others think they need a massive audience or perfect setup. Start small with a template or simple guide. That's where you can begin generating passive income. To unlock passive income, identify a skill you already use often. Determine what result that skill generates for others. Ask if that result can be packaged as a guide or template. Then create just one simple asset first. Next, generate content around the problem that asset solves. Finally, connect it to a platform where it can gain traction and be discovered over time. Remember, passive income isn't about doing nothing forever. It's about building once, improving over time, and letting systems work for you. In conclusion, working from home is not just about flexibility, it's about the opportunity to leverage your skills into scalable income. Writing, designing, or creating content can all transform into assets. So, the essential question becomes, what digital skill am I already using that could become an asset? This mindset can unlock new streams of passive income, transforming your work from home setup into a launchpad for financial growth. Start today. Explore how your skills can create value. Turn your work into something much more significant than just a job. A new era of earning awaits you. Seize it.